Hello, this is Carrie Dandy with Pristine Desert Properties. We're here at Skytop Unit 63. This is in the guard-gated section over here at Windy Walk in Troon. And you can see this is a lovely little well-landscaped condo complex. And this unit has beautiful Troon Mountain behind it. This is Unit 63. I'm here inside this unit at Skytop, and this unit seems to be very well maintained. You do have some flooring that might be a little bit dated. It's sort of on the pinky peach side. We're looking at Berber carpet that's probably going to need to be replaced. It's pretty worn. The patio. The half bath. We have tile countertops in the kitchen and maple, light maple cabinetry. Looking from the kitchen into the family room area, it's a nice lofty ceiling. Here's the view. Here's a view to that front patio. Kitchen. And we have washer and dryer over here. And this is inside the garage, and it's going to be hard to see this. They don't have the lights on, but you have to walk downstairs to get to the garage. Heading up the stairs to the second level. And we get upstairs, and there's a little loft area here for a desk. So this is the guest suite, or guest bedroom, because the bathroom is actually in the hallway. It's got a great little patio with very cool mountain views all the way up to the top of the hill there. Right outside the guest bedroom is the guest bath. And this is the hallway leading to the master bedroom. Here's the master bedroom. Right outside is an awesome view of Pinnacle Peak, which I'll show you in a moment, a little more close up. Cool mural painted over the bed. Right outside the master bedroom window, which faces west, we have a great view of Pinnacle Peak, and it actually looks really closer in person than it does in this video. And the master bedroom even has a fireplace. So, okay. Master bath. The cabinets are also maple and could use refinishing. Got a big soaking tub and fireplace open to the bathroom. Toilet and the shower in the master, and a walk-in closet. And give you a little more close-up view of this mural. You can see the bobcat here and the coyote and Pinnacle Peak. I love it. Here at the outdoor patio in the backyard, and this faces east. Look at this gorgeous view of saguaros and Troon Mountain. There's definitely a little room here for a barbecue too, and a sitting area. And this is the entrance to Skytop at Troon. And there's Troon Mountain behind.